In this video, we are looking at vector multiplication. We have two types of vector multiplication, the dot product of vectors and the dot product of two vectors, u and v, is gotten by multiplying the corresponding elements. So u subscript 1 times v subscript 1, and then u2, v2. You just multiply them. Here are some properties of the dot product, and we are going to be looking at the second one because we are going to apply it as one of applications of the dot product. So let's do some examples of how to find the dot product. So here you have two vectors, 3, 4. So how do I find the product, the dot product? So I take 3 times 5, 3, multiply by 5, and then I'm going to add 4, multiply by 3. So I get 15 plus 12, which is equals to 27. So the dot product is simply a number. We do the second one here. So this is going to be 1 times negative 4 plus negative 3 times negative 5. So we get negative 4 plus 15, which is equals to 11. Here, let's look at an application of the dot product. So I'm going to use the property number 2. So the dot product of u times u is equals to the magnitude of vector u squared. So here, I'm going to use this property to find the length of this vector. Remember, there are two ways I can be able to do that. I can use the method we used earlier, where the magnitude of u is simply going to be 1 squared plus negative 3 squared, find the square root, which is equals to square root of 10. But using this property that I have here, so u dot u is going to be 1 negative 3. Remember, u times u, so I multiply the vector by itself. So 1 times negative 3, so which is going to be the same as 1 times 1. So that's going to be 1 squared plus negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9, which is 10. According to the property up here, I know that u dot u is equals to absolute of magnitude of u squared. So since I already have 10, which is equals to magnitude of u squared, that means to get u, I just need to, if I get the square root of both sides, that will give me the value of u, which is square root of 10. So that's just another method to find the length of a vector using the dot product.